Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So have you ever heard about a term called redundancy? Wonder what that means? In this video we'll explain the concept of redundancy. Redundancy is a technique used to increase the availability and reliability of a system by having multiple components that perform the same task. That means if we are having one machine which is serving one web page, and if in case this machine goes down, so we should have secondary machine which will serve the same thing which machine A was serving. So let's say this is my machine A. Okay, this is A and this is B. So this is redundancy. I am having one server A which is serving a web page. Same web page will be served by B, but in case A is not available. Okay, redundancy is a system design in which a component is duplicate. So if it is failed, the other one backup will take the primary role. For example, if we are having a critical system and a single component failure occur, let's assume we are having one web server, okay, and this is serving a web page. Think like it is Amazon.in, and if in case this got failed, so Amazon.in will get down, will not able to serve or anything. So for redundancy purpose, we will having one more server. If in case this machine goes down, so secondary machine will take the ownership and perform the same task which primary machine was performing. But this increase the cost because we are in place of one server, we are using two servers. Redundancy can be implemented as a different level in Linux, including hardware, software, and data. So hardware means we are having two different web servers. Okay, software means the same application is running here, same application is running here, and data, a disk 1 and disk 2 will be having same data. If disk 1 got failed, so secondary disk will take over and perform the same role of a disk A. So that is redundancy. For hardware redundancy, you can redundant power supply. So we'll discuss. So this is my one server, and hardware redundancy will discuss like it is consuming one power supply is here attached and another power supply will attach here. Two power supply will add two OS hard disk. Okay. And two data disk, perfect, and network also, this network device here and network device is here. So if this is a system, we are having two OS disk, okay, and two data disk, two power supply and two network. So if in case one OS disk goes down, okay, working. If in case data disk down, okay, working. One power supply failure, it will work. One network is not working, then also it will. This is called redundancy. So it will increase the availability of this website. Software redundancy can be achieved running multiple instances on a critical application by using a load balancer. We'll discuss the load balancer, how load balancer works. Let's see. So this is a device called load balancer, and we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So your query will land here, and this load balancer will decide whom he will give the data to serve. Okay, like you have requested for some product on Amazon.in, and load balancer will see, okay, this server is having less load, so I will transfer that request to here, and this server will serve that request and you will get the response. If in case this server is not working, so load balancer will not transfer the request to this server. So this is how you can achieve the redundancy. Data redundancy involve multiple copies of data to ensure it can be recovered in a case of failure. Conclusion is, redundancy in Linux is a critical technique used to increase the availability and reliability of a system. We'll see our virtual machine. Like this. Okay, this is my virtual machine. So this machine we are using. If I go in a setting, so display storage, we are having 3 disks, but all are playing a different role. If one disk got fail, we will not able to start the VM. Same. We are having network adapter 1 and network adapter 2. 3 and 4 is not there. So in this case, we are having 2 network adapter, which is making it redundant. In storage, we are not having redundancy. And if I am running 2 virtual machines with the same IP or same detail like Jenkins and Red Hat 8, if both the server are serving the same application, then in that case, we can say our server is redundant. So redundancy means creating a second resource to serve the traffic or to serve the application. Redundancy is a system design in which a component is duplicate. So whatever component we are having, it will be duplicate, like 2 web servers, and every server will having 2 disks for the data redundancy, 2 NIC card, and 2 power supply. So how we can do redundancy? If entire system got failed, secondary system will serve. If one power supply of this system get failed, this will take. If one network is not working, then also it will work. If 2 of the hard disks one got failed, then also it will work. That is called redundancy. And moreover, we will have like n number of system like this, so make it availability and reliability. So hope redundancy is clear to you. If you are having any question, any doubt, please use the comment box to reach to me. Keep learning. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.